What you doing? Where's the ball? Pick it up. Merlin, pick up the toy. Yeah. Yeah, you tell that nasty old ball to give up your carrot. Yep. Yep. Yeah. It's a baby. That's Mama's boy. Yeah. Did you have good bunny dreams today? Hmm? You're still mad at that ball, aren't you? Yeah. Say goodbye. Bye-bye. Yeah. You gonna come to Mommy? Huh? Come here, baby. Bring the ball. Bring Mommy the ball. Push it here. Push it here. Come on, honey. Come on. Bring it over here. Yeah, come on. Push it again. Push it over here. Come on. No, push. Push, honey. No, this way. It doesn't roll right, does it? No, it doesn't roll right. You just don't know what to do. You want that damn carrot. Nudge it over here. Come on. Where's the toy? Give Mommy a toy. No. No. Bring Mommy the toy, honey. Hi. Hi. Yes, you're so sweet. He's so sweet.